Hey guys, so today we'll be doing a makeup tutorial on a bright pink eye look. Here is NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. You will need to put this on your lid to help the color pop and stay on longer. And now I am going to use my finger to blend this And here I will be looking for a transition color, and originally I picked up a gold, but a blush seemed to transition better with this look. I will be using a fluffy brush here to blend out the blush and making it an easier transition into our bright pink. I'm going to use a denser brush to pack on the color. And I am using the Take Me to Brazil palette in this bright pink. I love this pink. That is a lot of color, but we can use it for both eyes, so it's okay. As you can see here, it is too pigmented for one eye, so I started blending it out on the other eye. I would be going in with a fluffy brush to soften the harsh edges, and I will not be adding any more blush to this, just going in with the clean-ish brush. Now I will be going in with the blush to again soften, lighten up the edges, just so they're not as harsh, because obviously I thought they were too harsh here. Now I'm going to wash my brush a little bit to prepare to go in with the purplish color. Now we are going in with a purple color, which is pretty close to the pink that we used, but we're just using it to darken it up a bit. And this is just going to be a transition color for a darker purple that we're using. And I got it in my eye. Wow, eyelash in my eye. And I'm going to make sure I got a good shot here of the color. And I do. And now I'm dancing. There's no music here though. And we are going in with a shorter, denser brush. And camera won't focus, but we're going into a darker purple. With this dark purple, we're just going in and keeping it close to the lash line. The purple isn't really showing up because I forgot to use the white under the eyes, so just add that in and blend it all out. And now we can go in with the darker purple and it will finally show up. Just take the dark purple under your bottom lash line and blend it out. The brush wasn't giving me the color payout I wanted, so I went in with my finger. And sometimes this works better with some colors, other times it does not. As you can see, the color is definitely darker and more pigmented. One of the important steps that I missed was putting chapstick on at the beginning, and as you can see, it smells really good. I'm going to put the NYX Jumbo pencil on my inner corner and lighten it up a bit, and just blend that out with your finger a bit, and you're good. And this is a very iridescent pink eyeshadow, but you can't really see it here, and the camera isn't focusing, which isn't making it better. So just pop that in your inner corner and it's gonna shine. And I forgot to turn my light on again after I got my supplies, so now it's on. It doesn't show up well on camera, but in person it's very iridescently pink and kind of glittery, so it looks cute. Now I'm going in with Wet n Wild's waterproof eyeliner, and again my camera won't focus. So pray to the gods that your eyeliner comes out nice. I did a bit of my eyeliner off camera, and as you cannot see here, I'm finishing the rest of it up. And I did the other eye off camera. And this is the final look. Bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe.